Energy, the driving force. Learning about energy. We use the word work in our daily life. The most common is homework. Similarly, some daily routine activities such as washing clothes, watering plants, dusting and sweeping the household and ironing the clothes, etc. are also termed as work in general sense. However, all of these activities cannot be termed as work in scientific terms. Look at the following examples. Kavita. She is doing her homework. Completes all her assignments given in the school. She feels that she has done a lot of work. Samir is a computer operator and he spends the day operating the computer. John walks a distance of 5 km for his morning walk. Sachin plays football on the ground. Cooley carries a heavy suitcase. In scientific terms, Kavita and Samir have hardly done any work. This is because there is no displacement taking place in their activity. John, Sachin and Cooley have done the work. Work. Work is the product of force and displacement. In the figure below, let F be the constant force which acts on an object and S be its displacement in the direction of the force. Now let W be the work done. Then work is the product of force and displacement. The work done W will be given by W is equal to F into S. Work has only magnitude and no direction. Hence it is a scalar quantity. SI unit of force is Newton and that of displacement is meter. Hence SI unit of work is Newton meter or joule. 1 joule. The amount of work done when a force of 1 Newton acting on an object displaces it through a distance of 1 meter along its own direction is called as 1 joule. Similarly, in CGS system, the unit is dyne centimeter or erg. 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. The amount of work done when a force of 1 dyne acting on an object displaces it through a distance of 1 centimeter along its own direction is known as 1 erg. 1 erg is equal to 1 dyne into 1 centimeter. Now relation between joule and erg. 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to power 5 dyne and 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to power 2 centimeter. 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. That is 10 raised to power 5 dyne into 10 raised to power 2 centimeter. So 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to power 7 dyne centimeter is equal to 10 raised to power 7 erg. Positive, negative and zero work. One day while going to market, the car failed. The Mr. Sharma got down to push the car to get it started again. The force required to push the car and the direction of displacement of the car are in the same direction. The work done in this case is called positive work. Now you and your friend are playing with a ball and he throws the ball towards you. You take a catch. The force required to stop the ball acts opposite to the displacement of the ball. The work done in this case is negative. When a stone is tied to a string and whirled in a circular path, the string does zero work on the stone. The displacement of the stone is along the tangent to the circular path. Here, force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. The work done by the force is said to be 1. Positive when the displacement is in the direction of the force. 2. Negative when the displacement is in the opposite direction of the direction of applied force. 3. 0 when the displacement is perpendicular to the direction of the applied force or if the applied force does not produce any displacement. For examples, Earth and other planets moving around the Sun and a satellite like Moon or artificial satellite like Chandrayaan-1 moving around the Earth. The work done by the force acting towards the center of the Earth in all these cases is 0. When a simple pendulum is hung by a string in equilibrium, the weight acting downwards and the tension in the string acting upwards balances each other. In this case, no work is done by any force since there is no displacement. When an aircraft takes off, what kind of work is done? Positive, negative, or 0? When an aircraft takes off, the work done by the force causing the motion of the aircraft is positive, and the work done by the force of gravity is negative. Amir tries to pull a heavy box with all his strength, but the box does not move. How much work is done by Amir? The work done by Amir on the box is 0, as there is no displacement of the box. Summary. Work is the product of force and displacement. Work has only magnitude and no direction. Hence, it is a scalar quantity. SI unit of force is Newton and that of displacement is meter. Hence, SI unit of work is Newton meter or joule. The work done by the force is said to be positive when the displacement is in the direction of the force, negative when the displacement is in the opposite direction of the direction of applied force, 0 when the displacement is perpendicular to the direction of the applied force or if the applied force does not produce any displacement. So that's all in this topic, student. Let us learn about different forms of energy, unit of energy, kinetic energy, potential energy in our next topic. Till then, bye-bye.